and welcome. Today's video is Boxycharm Base Box PR versus paid for. So you guys have been requesting me put these head to head because a lot of people say that people who receive Boxycharm and PR get the better boxes, and I thought, you know what? Let's find out. So anyways, before we jump into the video, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Now, if you guys saw yesterday's video, I look the exact same because I stopped recording, I clicked it back on, and here I sit with you guys today. So if you're curious about what I have on my face, I mentioned all of it in yesterday's video. I'll go over at least what I have on my eyes, and I feel like I just like totally zoned out there and was like, oh gosh, okay. Anyways, if you guys watched yesterday's video, you guys know that Mom and I had wine night and we stayed up way too late and acted like we were rock stars, and your girl's exhausted today, but it was definitely worth it. So anyways, if you are new to Boxycharm Base Box is $25 a month, and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies. Now, real quick, I'm just going to go over everything in my PR box, then I'm going to jump over to everything in my paid for box. Now, I do want to just give you guys a disclaimer. The PR box is in my name. The paid for box is not in my name. Therefore, letting you guys know that Boxycharm doesn't know this box is coming to me because I put it in my daughter's name. And then I always just divvy it up between me, myself, my girls, my mom, all of that. So, jumping into the PR box, I did receive variation 24 as far as that goes. I still haven't gotten up and weighed it yet, so I will pop it up on the screen or put it in the description box for you guys down below. The first item that I did receive is the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Moisturizer. This does have a retail value of $54. This was the choice item. The next item I did receive is the Teddy Boy palette by Butter London, and I gave you guys all of my thoughts as far as that goes in yesterday's video, and I think in like a PR unboxing. Now, this one is my personal palette because I did receive it in PR as well earlier in the month. This is what it looks like. It is a cool tone palette, 9 shades in there, and it opens like that. It has a mirror on one side, so travel friendly. It does have a retail value, by the way, of $28. The next item I did receive is by Estetica. This is the Sunset Bronzer, and I did go ahead and swatch it for you guys in yesterday's video and in my other unboxing video, but this is what it looks like on the inside. I feel like it's definitely, for me, more cool tone than it is warm. So for me, it's more of like, I feel like a contour type of product, very similar to like the Marc Jacobs Tantastic. And then the last item that I did get in PR is the Real Her, and this, I actually swatched it and I still have it on here. This is a brow pencil. This is what the swatch looks like. So I don't know, I haven't used it on my brows just yet. I feel like I'm going to be able to pull it off. I do like that it is got a spoolie on one side, and then you have like the twisty over here for the other side. So that is everything that was in my PR box. And you receive 1, 2, 3, 4, uh-oh, I'm forgetting something. Oh, no, I received one more item, guys. You received 5 items. And I did get the Morphe brush set. It's a 4-piece brush set that does have a $12 retail value. So this is what, I knew something was missing. This is what the brushes look like. So I'm excited about the brushes. 2 of them I am actually going to set aside and give away. The other 2 I am going to just go ahead and keep. But like I said, they have a retail value of $12. Moving over to my paid for box, like I said, I have this in my daughter's name, so they don't even know it's coming to me. The first item first off, this is variation 15, and I actually have it written on the card. It is 1 pound, 2.2 ounces. So the first item, this was a choice item. This is the QMS Meta Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Moisturizer. I actually have it on today just with some e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I love this stuff. I find that I'm using it a lot, like an awful lot. I love it. Next, I did receive the Shade 2 Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector, and I actually already have one open. This is absolutely beautiful, super comfortable, and I do want to go ahead and show you guys a swatch of it. It's like this light moussey color. It is just absolutely beautiful, like I said. And I do want to mention this has a retail value of, let me tell you guys, $26, and the QMS has a retail value of $105. Next, we did receive another Aesthetica bronzer, same color. It's in Sunset, which I just showed you guys. And the last box, let me open this up. This is what it looks like. Again, like I said, I really like that. It does have a retail value, and I know I forgot to tell you guys, I'm actually trying to cook dinner at the same time of filming this, so I'm all over the place. This has a retail value of $24. Next, I did receive a 3-pack of sheet masks, which I'm super excited about. It's the ESW Beauty. This has the Pineapple Bliss Revitalizing Raw Juice Mask. This one is the Deep Detox Pore Control Raw Juice Mask. And this is the Pink Dream Moisturizing Raw Juice Mask. So I did receive all 3 of them, and they have a retail value of $18. And then last but not least, I received, once again, the Teddy Boy palette by Butter London. No, I did not get the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette that I want so bad. Not even my mom. My mom actually gets it too, the Boxycharm, and she received this palette, and she actually got the concealer as well. So anyways, guys, that is everything in my paid for box. And when it comes down to it, PR versus my paid for box, for me personally, I prefer my paid for box. Thank you, babe. Husband coming through. Oh, I was stressing out. That's why this video is so rushy. The biggest thing out of this box that I am in love with is the QMS, the Tinted Day Cream. Like I said, I have it on today, and I've been using it so much. I love the fact that it has SPF in it, I believe. It's lightweight, it's sheer, it's color adaptive, and it has the vitamins to help blur imperfections. At least I thought it had an SPF in it. I could be wrong, but either way, you'll see there's one over here because it was also available for add-ons. So I did pick it up as backup for 12 bucks, and I'm in love with this. I absolutely love it. It's so comfortable, it's so lightweight, and you know, we're wearing masks all the time now, so you know, if you're going out, I just go with the tinted moisturizer. These Clarins lipstick, if you guys got one in your box, let me know down below. They are so flippin' comfortable. They're beautiful. The color, it was a little like scary at first for me, but I can tell you guys that if I get a little too uncomfortable with it, I just add a lighter shade right in the center. But I've been so happy with the formula, and I held off on the sheet masks because, you know, I wanted to be able to show you guys them in my box. As far as the Teddy Boy palette goes, like I've said in the past few videos, it's not a bad palette. It is just definitely a palette that is more for the cool tone neutral lover. And for me, I had my heart set on the Violet Voss, but like I said in yesterday's video, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit, and I'm not gonna throw a fit. I'm happy with it. It will be probably showing up in a future giveaway. As far as the bronzer goes, I haven't used it as a bronzer. It's definitely, for me, like I said, more of I feel like it's more of like a contour type of product. So anyways, guys, that is PR versus paid for. What were your guys' thoughts on this as well? I'd love to know. Like I said, for me, I feel like the paid for box definitely stole the show here. As far as the retail value of everything in the boxes, The PR box did have a grand total of $134, and my personal paid for box has a retail value of, let's just add it up right quick. Oh, my paid for box actually has a grand total value of $201, and I wasn't even going off of that. I was truly just going off of the items in here and my feelings, my thoughts and opinions on them. I think that as far as this goes, the paid for box was the winner, not so much the PR box. So as always, I'm always thankful and grateful for Boxycharm sending over a PR box for me to unbox and give my honest thoughts and opinions on. But like I said, the paid for box is the winner. Anyways, guys, let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Did you like the paid for box better, or did you like the PR box? And by the way, which variation did you receive? Like I said, the PR box was variation 24. My paid for box is variation 15, and I'm giving it to variation 15. Anyways, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I upload over here 5 to 7 times a week, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern time, and Sundays and Saturdays at 9 p.m. Eastern time. I'd love for you guys to stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, become part of the Hot Mess family. And I, my friends, am done. I am done filming. I'm gonna go finish dinner, and your girl's gonna go to bed early because I need a nap. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!